in the heck am I gonna get out of this? Oh man, you guys aren't gonna want to miss this episode. God, and I can at this point literally just walk. I didn't even know you guys were there. Well, hello. So today, I guess we should start off with good morning and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve, and this is my 2008 Ford F450. So if you guys are new to the channel, I appreciate you guys clicking on, and I hope you guys, like the content that you're going to see. And I hope you support it. So today, we're going to do a video that I'm sure a lot of you want to see. We're going to super singles. Now a bunch of people have been messaging me. I have been kind of playing around with, the super singles. I put them on the front of this truck and everything like that. And I gotta admit, I don't know that I like that looking that way 100%. But I also am not sure that I don't like it. So there is a very high chance that we will end up putting super singles on the front and on the rear of this truck. But for now, I only have a split set. So let's get started. Guys, now I do have a bunch of tape things over the mic right now because, as you can tell by the trees, it is super windy here. It's actually freezing. I'm actually really cold. I'm gonna go put one of my hoodies on. But there you have it. The super single is mounted. Look at the difference between this one and then you come over here and this. I mean, that is just absolutely badass, if I don't say so myself. Now, I might be biased because it is my truck, but let me get it all dressed up here. We're gonna take her out for a drive. Alright guys, so there it is, right behind me. You have the super singles on. I'm gonna get in the truck. I won't do any more talking out here because it is absolutely windy. Again, I'm sorry about the wind noise. There's really not much more I can do, but we have our 4 regular tires and wheels over here. I'm not gonna lie, I'll talk about it when I get in the truck. Before I really get into how I feel, you know, and everything like that, I'm gonna take it for a drive. I'm gonna drive it for a little bit, and we're gonna see if ride quality changed or anything like that before I come in here and make an assumption of what I do and do not like. Now, this will not be the final thing that we do to the truck, just so you know. Like I was saying at the very beginning, which was probably hard to hear because of the wind noise, but let me get out here and drive it a little bit and we'll talk. Super singles aren't made for the mud. A parking lot full of ice? Absolutely, I gotta try this. I will say that is a plus about having these tires on the back is it doesn't like pull me into grooves. However, when I did have the dualies on the back, like you can see the grooves that going down this road, it would literally drag me left and right to and from. So that's sort of a bonus of it, and it doesn't actually ride terrible, I gotta admit. I don't know that I want to say that it rides better, but it's not a terrible ride. Alright, one thing I do want to note is these tires are a little bit louder than, you know, the other tires that were on the back, and not by a whole bunch. I'm not sitting here saying that they're, you know, oh my goodness, they're that much louder. I mean, it is an extremely windy day in here, and you guys can tell, you know, you can hear the tires a little bit. I'm not sure how well the mic on the GoPro or anything is going to pick it up. It might be picking up a lot of the wind noise and things like that. But as far as ride quality, I don't really see a huge difference in ride quality, but let's keep plugging and chugging. Now, who wouldn't want to hear the sound of this bad boy? Oh. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it broke the super singles loose. Oh my gosh. Now these, I would say I did probably lose about 100 pounds each side of rotational mass. So with Mike's turbos, we might still be able to run with him, boys. We're definitely gonna find out. Here we are at InShane Designs, and look what the cat drug in. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. I can't wait now. All right, well, let's get in here. And there's nobody. Oh, well, they're back there. Look at the head on that guy. Look at the head on that guy. What's up, guys? Steve. Living the dream. I haven't seen you in a while.
Dream? What, like, it's been 2 days at least.
No, I just seen you on the highway where you ignored my call.
That's true. I didn't ignore your call.
He ignored my call.
I don't talk on the phone when I'm driving. Sorry, Steve.
Unbelievable.
Boy, you didn't count on me pulling out
that was good. That was good.
That was a good one. Because now I made you look like the bad guy and me look like a good guy for not answering your call.
You're always the good guy. I'm always the bad guy. I'm the villain here and everything.
According to YouTube.
Yeah.
Well, now get on over here. We're going over new products.
Oh, we are?
So we were going to try and see if we could get these set up reversed. So when you have one, like, you have obviously the neon side, but then when you flipped it inside out, it would show the black. Remember how they did them one day?
Yeah.
That was like our prime, like when we were, since you were like really young. No, but me, Steve.
Oh yeah, I remember him, yeah.
Dan's not as old as you. Don't lump him into that group.
Dan's older than me.
What?
No.
You got something to get against older men?
We're same age.
Dan's older than me, dude.
No.
Dan's
When's
like
your birthday?
26.
I'm like a couple months younger than you, dude.
How old are you? Or when's your birthday?
June.
24. He's got me.
He's got you. Yeah, Shane's the old man. I
Don't
think
let
Steve.
him
Well,
fool
Steve might be
He's
the
got
oldest
us
one
all.
here.
He's got all
I'm a
three
close
of us
runner up.
added together.
I'm a close runner up.
Yeah.
Anywho, beautiful
He's got
design.
all three of us
Thank you.
added up.
Oh
That's
wow.
His age.
And I think you're thinking of Andy here.
Yeah, him.
Andy's the old
I
one.
think Andy's at least.
I got to give my honest analysis on this. And honestly, I still don't think he has a chance against the 450. Oh, he's going to run Bobby over. Unbelievable. Now Bobby's got him blocked in. Now I'm sure you guys have all heard this on his channel, but I gotta admit it does sound pretty good. I gotta admit that does sound pretty badass. Yeah. It almost sounds like a 6.0 power stroke.
You know what? Stock 6.0s, or well, obviously straight pipe, but
Yeah.
stock turbo 6.0s aren't allowed.
Yeah,
Shit.
definitely. But I'm proud of you. Everybody's already in my inbox like, go race Mike, go race Mike.
Hey, everyone, I guess, forgets the red light where I smoked you.
What red light?
happened
It never
there? We lined
happened.
up on 22.
I didn't see the
Speaking
footage.
of guys who get smoked,
Oh. What
I
up?
was just talking to him about guys who get beat in racing.
What?
What's up, man? How you doing? Oh. I need to get my car done. Definitely. Wow. That thing's super loud.
I love his taillights.
Yeah. Wow. He's a menace to society.
You're a menace to society.
Yeah. Wow. All right, well, I have everything mapped out that I need to do here. Mike, I got to get her going.
All right.
I got to feed the children.
Hey, you
They're
want the
hungry.
passes for the auto show?
Sure.
All right.
But there you have it, guys. We are actually going to do the lower half of the truck. I don't know 100% which color we are going to do yet. That will be a reveal for later on. So I got to give Shane a huge thanks for wanting to do this, and I really appreciate it. If you guys have ideas of what color we should do the lower half, drop them down below. I'm kind of excited to get it wrapped up. I don't think you guys understand how tall this really is. Now this is probably, I mean, that's 10 feet in the air. And I'm, you know, kind of a shorter guy, and I can at this point literally just walk underneath this truck. Now, I'm not trying to say that this truck is amazing or anything, or, you know, badass, or, you know, whatever you want to be, but I can literally pretty much stand under my truck right now. This thing is absolutely amazing. The super singles are going to be just at home. They're going to be right at home on this truck. I mean, it is freaking massive, guys, massive. Like, look where the bottom of the door is. Like, the bottom of the door is right there. Like, man, I do love this truck, guys. So there you have it, guys. We do have the super singles installed on the back. I'm sorry if you are getting a bunch of wind noise. It is absolutely, you know, extremely windy here, and I've told everybody that I would make a video on Friday. It's here now Friday. As of yesterday, it rained all day, so I couldn't really put out a video that I wanted to of any kind of quality or anything, but we got it, guys. We literally have the super singles on the truck, and you know, I don't know if I like it 100%. We might end up going back to the duals, and I think it's actually something that we're gonna do. So with that being said, guys, if you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload.